Well, good afternoon and welcome to the Idahoan Show. I imagine that people who load high-end custom shot shells typically buy new unused plastic hulls to start with. But cheapskates like myself, when we reload shot shells, typically pick up spent cases off the ground to start with. Now, the vast majority of 12-gauge hulls that you'll pick up off of a typical shooting range have been fold-crimped, as evidenced by the classical star pattern on the mouth of the shell. Some of them will be 6-point stars, most of them will be 8-point, but either way, that's fine if you're going to reload them with shot and fold-crimp them the way they were crimped before. But if you want to roll crimp them, this star pattern becomes kind of a problem. And so today I thought I'd show you my simple method for straightening these out so that they can be roll crimped. So this is just a piece of 3/4 inch diameter steel rod that I ground a taper on one end of. I'm going to force the shell over that rod so that it kind of straightens out the remnant of the fold crimp. Now I'm going to take a little propane or butane torch and just gently heat the rim of the shell, or really the area just below the mouth. If you heat the mouth itself, it tends to deform as the plastic sort of melts. But if I heat this region in here, I can soften the plastic enough that it'll take a set as it cools and take the crimp out permanently. Like I said, it doesn't take much. Now, I like to just kind of put some pressure on that as it's cooling, and then pull the dowel out, and you can see the star shape has been removed from the mouth of that case. So now I should be able to roll crimp this using my homemade roll crimping tool or any of the common roll crimping dies that are out there. So that's really all there is to it. Until next time, thanks for watching the Idahoan Show.